Don't take it seriously. It's not a Japanese bullet train. I just used the video effect. What's up guys, good morning from Malaysia. My name is Vinay Singh and I hope you have an amazing day. Today me and my Japanese friend Makoto is going to McDonald's. Let's see what kind of menu they have in Malaysia. I think it's difficult to find the vegetarian burger in the Malaysia. Let's see the menu. It's a digital machine and it's not available in India. First I need to select the language and then there is an option how would you like to pay. Credit card or via cash. Cash has always been a good. Let's see the menu. There is a beef burger, chicken patty burger, and I did not find any kind of veggie patty burger. So I need to go with the fries only, mega fries. It's of 5.95 ringgit. It's a mega French fries. So RM, it's a Malaysian currency. No thank you, I don't need anything. Let's see. For me as a website developer, it's like an e-commerce website on a digital screen. Just cancel the order and go to the counter. For today, my Japanese friend is a vegetarian boy. Because there is a no veggie patty burger, so he decided we should go with the strawberry shake and mega fries. Good boy. It seems like it's a extra crispy fries. Well, it's such a cool process to take the ketchup and the chili sauce. Beautiful design. Chili sauce, the color is little bit different as compared to the ketchup and it's look like a tamarind, but be careful, it's a chili. The total bill we paid for the fries is 4.25 and GST is 0. In India, shakes are not available in the McDonald's due to some license problem. Look at this, it's a new thing for me, pepper and the salt in a tiny packet. Let's start with the pepper. It's a different pepper as compared to the India, but it's look really beautiful. Well, I'm not a big fan of salt, so I don't need this. Let's try with the both sauces. Well, you don't need a second guess, it's topped with the pure pepper. Well, I am taking the strawberry shake after almost 6 years. And believe me, I will not pass this opportunity. It is so creamy, I'm a strawberry shake kind of person. We finished the fries, it was awesomely tasty, but sauce is still pending because Makoto don't like spicy sauce. We both finished each and everything. Well, it is very difficult for the Japanese person to be the vegetarian, but Makoto did this for me. Thank you brother, salute you. And we paid 6.60 ringgits for the strawberry shakes. It's still affordable. Well, Malaysian McDonald's is really awesome. Let's go and find the another food. Thank you for watching. If you like this video, press the thumb button, and if you are not yet subscribed, please subscribe to my channel and click on the bell icon so that you can get the notification first of my next video. God bless you and your family.